This is the KOHLER self-closing toilet seat that we got to replace our old toilet seat. It's made of wood. It's not plastic, so it's nice and solid and good quality. Really easy to install. Takes like 5 minutes. You just take your other toilet seat off, and then you line up your toilet seat with the holes at the back. It gives you the screws and the tightener that goes on the other side. The black part goes on the other side. It's really self-tightening. 2 seconds to put the screws on, and then you just have to check before you completely tighten it that it's aligned where you want on your toilet. Perfect. There we go. Then do the final tighten and twist. Just check that it's tight on the bottom, and then close the covers, and voila. And there you go. You can see it closes without slamming. That's what we love.